Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tech It Simple, where we make solutions simple. In today's video, I will show you how you can change currency in your Craigslist account. But before we do that, let me tell you, Craigslist does not have an official setting to change the currency on its platform. However, the currency used on Craigslist is the local currency of the city or region you're browsing from. So let's get right into it. If you haven't already, go to Craigslist.org, which will open the website. Once you're inside the website, all you have to do is select your region. I'm looking to change my currency to Australian dollars, so I'll just go to Asia Pacific and then select Sydney. Now, this will redirect you to another page. If you want to confirm whether your currency has been changed, then click on Post, select something from the options, and then click on Continue. And there you go. You can see the currency has been changed in your Craigslist account. So, this is how you can change your currency in your Craigslist account. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more informative content like this, do like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. See you in the next video.